Man, YouTubing is actually not that easy. I've been standing here for like 10 minutes trying to figure out what to say, even though it's just a simple topic. My truck is finally at my place. Ugh, where's my arm? Right there. There's my view. And the plan is to take the transmission off and put the other one in that I got from Edmonton, which is like 8 hours away. So take the transmission off. We have to disconnect the battery, take off the starter, remove the O2 sensor, take off any harnesses, and also get the truck on the jacks so that I guess just so I can take out the transmission. So let's get it up. Oh, and also take the exhaust. And while I was thinking, taking the exhaust, I've never heard a V6 F150 straight piped, I guess. So I guess that's gonna be the video, just to see how it sounds. Can't find my gloves. Where are my gloves? Here. Let's see. Are you guys here? Nope. Nope. Maybe in the Tesla. Where did I put them? Oh no. Maybe they're in the trunk. Gloves. Can't find them. That's not good. Aha! Found them. They were in the Tesla. The 2 jack stands, or 4 I guess. Nice jack. I got another jack inside the truck. So let's lift it up. The landlord gave me bigger jack stands. Not bad. These should do the job. I'll put those on the back, I guess. And those red ones I'll give back. But yeah, sweet. There you go. Got the truck lifted. Man, it's a lot harder than it seems for some reason, but it's done. So let's look at that exhaust, see how we can take it off. I guess first of all I got to do a comparison. Let's turn it on here. Keys. There you go. Turn it on. Sounds like nothing too impressive. Normal V6. Okay, let's get that exhaust off. This is what I have at my disposal. Shout out to David for letting me use this. Okay, let's find what we can use. Let's see what we going on here. This is the transmission. This whole thing has to come off. Looks like I have a leak here too. I'm gonna have to buy a gasket. But first things first, I got to take this exhaust off. So I believe I have to take this connection off and this connection off. They are rusted shut. I'm gonna have to buy new gaskets too. So this, gotta put some WD-40 magic on these guys. I'm not sure, but I might have to take on both ends this off, like these two. Maybe on the other side too. Just double check. Yeah, probably that. Because I don't think it's gonna make it. Let me just double check here. Spray these guys down with some WD-40 while I go look at some stuff. Yes. There's two. Get everywhere. After some research, I do have to take this off, but not this one. I have to take the ones that are here off, which is kind of annoying, but should be okay. Spray them down. Let's do it on this side. Okay, let that soak a little bit while I go find the stuff I need. I guess I can soak this guy up a little bit too. Just make sure it doesn't go on me. Not easy, even just taking things off. Whoa. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I gotta put you down here. We'll try this driver's side manifold and see if we can get it loose. It should be done. Okay. Should be a 14, I understand. Okay, I guess first I gotta get it in there somehow. Man, I need something. I think it is a 15. Oh, I think I did it. Oh yeah. I think I got it. It's a 14. Oh, it's okay. Sorry about that. Let's see, get it right here. I think the 15 was stripping it. 14 doesn't fit. Like, what the heck? Looks stripped, dang it. Okay, let me figure this out. I think I finally found the lug nut that not lug nut, what are these? Whatever this is, finally found the correct size, which is a 14. I don't know why it took me so long to find. Just need my hammer. This is a lot hotter than it should be. I don't know what's going on. It should be a 14. It's not doing anything. I can't fit it in. Probably too much rust. Here's what I'm thinking. I technically don't need to take this side off because it can disconnect it from there. So I just have to do it on this side, on the passenger side, which is the harder side. But I would only have to do it once, because if I take only this one off, then all I have to do is take this guy off, which would be much easier. So I guess let's try and figure out how I can get in there and do that. Maybe before tackling the exhaust by the manifold, maybe we'll try and do this one. It should be a 15mm, so 14 off, 15 on. I don't think it's 15, it's 14. Yep. That's pretty good there. These are tight. Nothing. I need a pipe. Maybe that'll help. Found a pipe. It should do the job. Oh, easy. Nice. Got it. Number 2. Oh, nice. Should probably let these rest in some vinegar. Okay, what now? Hammer? Where's my hammer? I have no idea what's next. Guys, I've done it. All I had to do was spray more WD-40 and I was just pounding it on this thing and it finally came loose. A few final love taps. Yes, it came off. Oh. Nice. Okay, got that. What sucks is I think this is the easy part. Oh, yes. Yes. Getting it. It's off. There, it's off. Fish. Yes, we did it. We did it. Oh, I'm so happy. There it is. Slid that off. Awesome. Man, that's awesome. I was already getting discouraged that I can't even unscrew a joint for the exhaust. But yeah, one thing done. Got 2 connections to go. after that, we'll see what else we can work on today. Actually, we'll probably hear what this truck sounds like. Let's see. Put you guys down here. That sounds pretty darn good. Doesn't sound like a V6 though. Now that we've got that tested, we can take off or disconnect the battery. Okay, let's disconnect the battery. Touch it. Okay, I'll try and get this guy off now, just so we have some progress. I need a toothbrush so I can clean all this junk. It's so hard. This might take a lot longer than even I thought. I got it. Oh. Let's not lose that. Ooh. Face. There. It's off. Why would you weld this? Piece of cake, they said. Just kidding. No one actually told me that. I knew it's gonna be hard, but not this hard. Barely did one thing. Well, I guess we lifted the truck. We got to hear what it sounds like. We disconnected the battery. We got 2 of the 3 exhaust connections off. I don't know how I'm gonna do that 3rd one, but that's not bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit and soak in WD-40 magic. What else can I do? This is my first time ever working on a car. I've never even done an oil change, and here I am trying to replace a transmission. Okay, I guess let's take, there's 4 O2 sensors, I believe. Let's try and take those off. This one was easy. You just push on this guy and just pull. So that's 1. Where's the other one? I'm going to take that off. So 1. I thought I had 4. Technically, I don't even need to take this off. Actually, I do, since it's coming. Okay, 1. There's nothing else connected to it. Is there only 2?
Oh, here's one. Oh, that's awesome. And the heat shield is in the way. How am I supposed to get that? And the YouTube video that I watched, he made it look so difficult. Oh, got it. That one was a bit more difficult. Okay, all 2 sensors off. I believe that's the... I thought there's 4, but I guess there's only 2. This one I don't have to worry about. It's way up there. And here, yeah, I guess it's just 2. Nice. Okay. What else can we do? So now that we removed the only 2 O2 sensors, we can work on removing the drive shaft. So maybe a hammer will do the trick. Good. The truck is too low. Okay, we'll try it with the torch. Let's do that. But I got my torch. Turn it off. Nothing. Too weak. Again, it's my hammer. It smells good. On the way. Okay. Ow! I just pinched myself. Oh, I got it. Yes. Worked. Nice. I did it. I did it. What? There we go. 1 down, 4 to go. Do this one up top here. It. Honestly, I'm gonna just twist it. Let's. I can't put it into neutral, so I can't twist the drive shaft, which is not cool. So I'm gonna have to try and somehow do it like this. This is the drive shaft. Nice. Okay. Where's my hammer? Here's my wrench. I had it a bit higher. Oh. Turn that off. Oh, nice. Man. Let's see. Oh, it's easier than I thought. All 4 bolts out with just a torch. I hope you saw enough. Because I was more focused on getting that out. Okay. Let's see. We can pull the drive shaft off now. I just need to put a catch can here. Oh, I still gotta take this off. These two. So let's do that. Let's do the other side. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm calling it a day. These screws are so long, I need to get a gun or something. Otherwise I'll be here for an hour. But I'm pretty happy with our progress. Okay, with everything done today, we unscrewed the drive shaft, we took off the O2 sensors, we took 2 out of the 3 connections of the exhaust off. And disconnected the battery. We checked how the Ford sounds without the exhaust. I'd say that's a pretty good productive day. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll try and remove that transmission.